Hello there and welcome to this lecture. Let's have a quick walk through the PowerShell console. We opened the console in the last lecture, so we need to go to run and type PowerShell and hit enter. Another way is simply searching by PowerShell in start and hit the executable. So here we have our console. This console is mainly used for executing the scripts and one-liner commands. Basically, if you quickly want to get results from some remote machine or your own machine using a simple command, we can use this console. It is quite similar to our command prompt or CMD. It is not a great choice for development of a new script. You can customize it up to some extent from these property options. These options are self-explanatory and we need not to go into the details. Why are we saying this console is not a great choice for development of script? Because you cannot edit multiple lines at a time. This console limits us to work in one line at a time, and that is not sufficient for writing a script. Second, we are not allowed to use Windows shortcuts like Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V for copy and paste. Also, within a line, we have to navigate using left and right key, which is irritating and slow down script making, right? Overall, it doesn't look a great tool for development. So what is the solution then? It is smart integrated development environment that comes along with PowerShell and it is free of cost. Yes, I'm talking about integrated scripting environment, commonly called as ISE. To open it, you can either type PowerShell_ISE in run or again give a simple search with ISE and click this executable which will open up ISE. I highly encourage you to go through this beautiful looking GUI and try to understand it. I will quickly walk you through it. So this is your script pane where we will write our PowerShell statement. We can see the statement's output in the console upon running. This console can also be used for trying a PowerShell command quickly. So what happens when we write a script? At times we are not sure about the syntax and want to try writing a command and check if it is correct or no. We can very well utilize this console for that purpose. Then we have these three important buttons. You can hover any button to see what it is meant for. So this button is for running the whole script. Basically whatever commands you have written inside this scripting area, it will execute all of them. But in case you don't want to execute all the commands, you can use this button to execute the selected statements only. And then we have this button to terminate the script execution. In case you want to open the console, no need to go to run again. You can open console from here itself. Then we have this very interesting command button which is meant for show command CMDlet of PowerShell. When we just write a command, let's say get service for an example, and select the command and click it, it will open up this GUI form for us where we can just fill few of these details as per the requirement, and then we can either copy the command or simply execute it. So we give inputs to a form and it creates PowerShell statement for us. We need not to remember the parameters and syntax. How cool is that? In the right side, we are able to see this list of modules and its command. You can think module as a function library which has set of functions defined inside it, and below this module there is a list of functions defined in the selected module. When we select a command, it will also open up the GUI of show command dialog box. You can adjust your view as per your comfort using these buttons. I'm quite comfortable with this default view and don't want to change it. Alright, that's it. Now I'll leave up to you to cover this GUI more in detail. Please open your ISE and explore it. We will start using it from very next lecture. I'll see you there. Take care.